and gentlemen, welcome on board this Boeing 727. May we remind you that your hand luggage should be placed...
Hello ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck it's the captain. Very warm welcome aboard this Boeing 727.
Smoking on this aircraft is prohibited at this time. Please do not fasten your seat belts until instructed to do so by the cabin crew.
In the meantime, you'll be shown a safety briefing fairly shortly. I would please ask that you pay your full attention to this, as your safety on board this aircraft is our primary concern.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we are experiencing turbulence, the captain has switched on the seatbelt signs. Please locate and take your seats as quickly as possible, as failure to meet our departure time could incur a delay. Thank you.
It's been our pleasure having you on board today, and we look forward to seeing you again very soon. Thank you.